Welcome to Bombilya Channel. Warning: parental guidance is a must. Spoilers ahead. You've been warned. I'm making another movie review. Kung napanood niyo yung una ko and you already subscribe and like, thank you. Para sa mga bago, please like and subscribe. This is my second movie review and it's about Despicable Me 4.
Hi there.
Okay, to be honest, hindi ko siya gusto. I don't like the movie. It's kinda corny na siya. I mean, oo, I'm old, pero I still appreciate mga cartoon na movie. And I'm comparing it to Despicable Me 1. So, Despicable Me 1, I'm sure everybody have watched it. Kung hindi nyo panood, ang kwento nun is, he was a villain. He was proud to be a villain, and then he changed into not really a superhero, but into a good person because he met the three girls, he adopted them, and then, yes, he became a real dad. Then he was still a villain, and then there was another bad villain that was trying to attack him. Basta the movie was maganda. Okay siya. I liked it. Here, he was still the dad. Now, he's also a husband. He has his own family. Hindi parang ang corny nung part na mayroong kasang kapitbahay na papansin na epal na bata. Parang it doesn't need to be part of the movie. Pero sige, they had to include the girl. And then, okay, I understand the part na they had to transfer to a different location because kailangan matago yung identity because there's another worst villain than him that is looking for them. Pero it's not as if the villain wasn't that really aggressive looking for him. Parang mas okay pa yung mga dati niyang villain eh. Mas okay pa yung movie niya with his brother. That one, I find that interesting. Mas maganda pa yung dati pa rin niyang movie when nagkakakrush na yung stepdaughter niya. Yun. But this one, parang wala na kayong magawa. What do you call this again? Cash grab na lang siya. Parang, okay, siguro if you're a fan of Despicable and you really find the Minions cute, then, so kayo na, bala kayo. But, not saying cute ang Minions, meron pa dong mga voice over na mga Pinoy, so I'm proud to be Pinoy, go. But again, we're basing it from the story. I'm making a movie review here, walang pakilamanan. Ang galing lang talaga nung villain dun sa Despicable Me 1. Ang galing, parang the way they made it, yung acting niya, yung itsura niya, nag-trending pa yon. This one, parang, it's kinda frustrating. It's like trying hard. What's up with the cockroach? You need cockroach to help you. I mean, meron pa siyang side chick na girl na to help him, sorry. I don't get it. The one was better. That was really the best villain na nakalaban niya. Ang galing lang noon na anak pa siya ng pinaka-boss. And then yung sumunod was yung about the brother. And then about the Mexican, the guy na parang cartel ang dating. Okay din yun. But this one was parang, what's up with that? I don't like it. Even the other one na para siyang retro, parang 80s guy na he looks like a Jim Carrey thing na weird guy. Napaka-peculiar niya. I also like that one. I said, I'm a fan of Despicable, but this one was lame. Hindi siya maganda. Sa lahat ng Despicable Me na movies, yan ang pinaka-hindi ko gusto. That's all I can say. So, thank you for listening. Thank you for my review. Bahala kayo. Just make a comment down below. Bashers, welcome everybody. And see you at my next content. Bye!